All right, so we got everything installed. Now we will put the panel on for the final time and actually push it into place. Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are making your Bronco, your dream Bronco. Hey, if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe. I'm putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic and just providing some Bronco entertainment for the Bronco community. Today, what I'm doing is I am replacing the door panels, door skins on my 1975 Ford Bronco. Now, a while ago, I took off the original panels just because they were metal and they just looked bad. They were dented and like dingy and stuff like that. And I actually never really replaced them after I took them off. I just ran without any door panels, and that allowed in a lot of cold air in the winter, and it didn't make the inside look super nice. So this is the door panel. It's from Toms Offroad and it's super nice. It's like a parchment white kind of thing. And then I went for the black armrest. Toms did a video where they installed this, and I saw the black armrest on there and I thought it looked really cool, and it also matches my black carpet. And then I did a black door cup, and then this is just my stock handle that I've had on there forever. First thing you're gonna do is remove the little cardboard pieces on the back side of the panel, but just make sure that you don't go too deep or you'll cut right through the vinyl.
Mama let us have Doritos for breakfast.
What? Then the next part is putting this little clip in the hole that you just cut. Now they're pretty easy to get into, but some of them they're a little bit tricky because the glue, like holding the vinyl and the cardboard together, the glue just kind of sticks together, and you kind of have to, like, I grabbed a screwdriver at some points and just kind of gently separated the cardboard and vinyl so that it went in a little bit easier. But one of the things that I'm doing while I'm doing this is just making sure that it all fits. And so I'll do a couple of them, check it, make sure that it fits, and then keep going. All right, now the next part is gonna be cutting this out for the door cup. But what you wanna still make sure that you don't cut too deep and you cut the vinyl behind it, because what we'll actually do is slowly remove the vinyl, because if you remove too much, you're done. Like, you've wasted buying one of these new panels. And this door cup, I've already done the other one, and the door cup doesn't sit in there exactly like this. It actually it sits like this, but it's actually sitting a little bit higher or lower. So you just wanna make sure that you just don't cut this too deep. I didn't just cut a square right here. You know, the cup goes in here like this. All right, so I got my door cup cut and it actually ended up being a lot higher than I thought it was gonna be, but I just had to cut some extra material on the back, and now these screw holes line up with the studs that hold my door paddle in place. So that's what I was lining it up with, were these studs here that will hold the paddle on like that. So so don't just go with the cardboard on the back, because had I done that, my hole would have been way too low. And I actually had to cut some extra material up here just to get the door cup to actually sit on there. I'd like to say that that just went splendidly, but it didn't. And I'm really angry. All right, so that sucked. And I don't know why. Like, I did my other one and it was fine. This one was just super tough. Like, I don't know why these clips are poking out right here. Like, I don't know what I did wrong with those. I couldn't even get the clip in right here. I ended up just taking it out. This one is also poking through, and that's very annoying. And then I don't understand this. It's like a gap. So I'm gonna pull it all apart and try it again. All right, so it's looking a lot better now, and a lot of those spots where I was having trouble, I made room for the clips and they went right in. So that's it. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick up the door panel and all that kind of stuff. But pretty easy to do, pretty easy to swap, and it really makes a difference just on the look when you're sitting in your Bronco driving it and not having cold air just coming in all the time. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.